Welcome back to Korean Grammar Made Easy. In Korean, there isn't just one way to say and. Instead, you will hear 하고, 랑, and 와 or 과. They all mean and, but they sound very different depending on the situation. Once you know which one to use, your Korean will instantly sound more natural and appropriate. Here's the simple rule. 하고 is casual and neutral. It's the most common and safest choice in daily conversation. 랑 is very casual and mostly spoken. You will hear it a lot when people talk with close friends or family. 와 or 과 is formal and often used in writing, presentations, or nudes. Think of it like this. When you are talking to friends, you will usually use 랑 or 하고. In everyday polite conversation, 하고 works best. But in presentations, formal writing, or news-style language, 와 or 과 sounds more appropriate. So the meaning is the same, but the level of formality is different. Let's look at some examples. 하고, 친구하고 영화 봐요. I watch a movie with a friend. 사과하고 바나나를 샀어요. I bought apples and bananas. 랑, 친구랑 커피 마셔요. I drink coffee with a friend. 엄마랑 이야기해요. I talk with my mom. 와 or 과, 부모와 자녀, parents and children, 이론과 실제, theory and practice. So remember, the meaning doesn't change, but the tone does. Imagine three situations. Talking to a friend. 오늘 누구랑 만나요? 친구랑 만나요. Who are you meeting today? I'm meeting a friend. Normal conversation. 누구하고 일해요? 동료하고 일해요. Who do you work with? I work with a coworker. Formal writing. 본 연구는 이론과 사례를 분석합니다. This study analyzes theory and cases. A common mistake is using 와 or 과 in casual speech. 친구와 커피 마셔요. Oh, this sounds too formal in daily conversation. So you are okay to say 친구랑 커피 마셔요 or 친구하고 커피 마셔요. Another mistake is thinking they change meaning. 랑 is different from 하고. No, same meaning, different level. Always ask yourself, am I speaking casually or formally? In real Korean, 랑 is extremely common in speech. 하고 is safe in most situations. 와 or 과 appears often in books, news, presentations, and official documents. For example, 친구랑 여행 갔어요. I traveled with a friend. 친구와 여행을 갔습니다. Both are correct, just different contexts. Quick review. 랑, very casual. 하고, neutral. 와 or 과, formal. Practice with daily life. 친구랑 점심 먹어요. I eat lunch with a friend. 책하고 노트를 샀어요. I bought a book and a notebook. Try writing one sentence with 랑, 하고, and 와, and 과 in the comments.